Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. Today I'm going to be talking to you about 3 liquid lipsticks that I always use during this time of the year. If you guys want to see what lipsticks I use, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first liquid lipstick that I wear during this time of the year is Truffled Raine by Colored Raine. And I love that it has this deep brown undertone. So this is the color. Alright, so I'm gonna wipe this off and show you the second color. Okay, the second color is sold by Colored Raine as well. This is like a very dull blush pink. So the thing with this color is once I put it on, it first looks like a very light lavender color, but once it settles in, it blends in and looks natural. The last color is Flurries by Colourpop. So this is a very bright liquid lipstick, so I always underline my lips with a brown pencil. And I always do this before I apply the lipstick, the liquid lipstick. Like that. And this is the final color. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.